Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is harmony. The place that you're going to need to be harmonized and have your peace at an all-time high. You're transitioning to a new place, the place that you want to be of happiness. So be happy, maintain your happiness, and that's going to connect with your future. How do you harmonize mind, body, and spirit? Reading the things that interest you, that's going to the places that you're going to help you along the way. Having a prayer and meditation life, exercise that spirit. Make sure you go onto the elements. Not only do you act, but you listen. And then sit-ups, push-ups, our regular workouts to our capacity of what we can do. That's how you work out your mind, body, and spirit and continue to have a balance of harmony. Open myself to the design being within me, and I am the image of God. You are. And thus, I have the power to bring light into my life. I turn any darkness that's in me into something beautiful. In the absence of resentment, anger, and doubt, I find harmony. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.